Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Whoscall app. We click on settings. Then this page you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above we can search about Whoscall app and you can click. Then this page of app info you can click on for stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us.